Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sign in POP World webinar session. I hope all of you are staying home and staying safe. As we know, today's session is an application of fiber laser cutting machine for signage industry. And the session will be addressed by renowned industry veterans, Mr. Shailesh Mehta and Mr. Narendra Purohit. Mr. Mehta is the director, while Mr. Purohit is the sales head at Mehta CAD/CAM Private Limited. Mr. Mehta has been associated with the industry for over 30 years now, and in all these years, he has successfully gained expertise in various facets of signage, with a special focus on technologies like fiber laser cutting, CO2 laser cutting, and UV printing. I hope this session will provide you great insights and will help you understand this industry better. Before the session begins, it would be great if you could introduce yourselves in the chat box below, which you have already been doing, so that we get a sense of the profile of our amazing audience. So let's move on to the session now. After Mr. Mehta's brief on the industry, the session would be open to questions and answers. If you have a question, you can just raise your hand and your questions will be taken one by one. As you know, the raising hand icon is available at the bottom of the screen. So, Mr. Mehta, we'll just pass it over to you.
Mr. Mehta, you have to unmute yourself, please.
Mr. Mehta?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Mehta.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is good to go.
Okay. Thank you very much, Gaurav Bhai, Himani, Supriya, and thanks for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to share my experience, my knowledge, and good morning to all. I'm Mehta from Mehta CAD/CAM System Private Limited. I feel pleasure to inform you that it's more than 25 years we are into these industries. And by grace of God, we have introduced new technologies, machines inside industries time to time. At present, we have three big manufacturing facilities at Ahmedabad, HO at Ahmedabad, and branch offices across all India. Let me just brief about our manufacturing product. Today, I feel very happy to inform you that almost all range of products are manufactured at Mehta factory, like all different range of CO2 lasers machines, all range of fiber laser cutting machines, all range of UV flatbed printers, and all range of CNC routers. We have already introduced Konica printers and many things. Thank you all for trusting me, and just because of you, we are here today. Our company is exporting all this machine to many countries. This time we had also participated in China exhibition in March. Unfortunately, it is postponed. So fiber laser cutting machine is really, I see as a great opportunity for you all to divert and expand your business in sign industries, as digital printing is there since last 20 years, and there is a tough competition, less and less profit margin. I believe almost everybody is looking for some good alternatives where they can grow their business. I see the fiber laser cutting machines as a great product which you can add into your factory setup. Why fiber laser cutting machine, particularly at this point of time? Because Uh, this time, particularly this time, the fiber laser cutting machine's price has gone down to such a bottom level where almost there is no possibility to get reduced further. So it's a right time, and fiber laser cutting machine can cut all varieties of metal like SS, MS, brass, aluminum, copper, and this technology is a very stable, and our kind of manufacturer, we provide you 3 years 100% guarantee on the machine. So this is only the product where manufacturer or supplier provide 3 years guarantee, and this is the most stable now. And by grace of God, we had introduced our company in manufacturing in the beginning of the growth of this fiber laser technology, almost around 7 years before. We have already installed more than 300 machines in different parts of India. Uh, Now, signage industries and sometimes interior decorations is also going together. Like many people who have got the CNC router, CO2 lasers, they do the work for signage as well as they also do work for the interior decoration. And fiber laser cutting machine has a vast applications at both the place, signage and interior decorations. Uh, the return on investment is also very good in fiber laser cutting machine, and metal cutting is going to be last for a long. Sheet cutting is always going to be required, so there is no risk. The people who will work aggressively to expand their business with fiber laser, they can earn a good amount of money. And those who have a huge range of product and wanted to add only fiber, still they will have a wonderful returns. So there are so many things now. If anybody have some questions about fiber laser cutting machines, CO2 lasers, UV flatbed printers, uh, please ask me. I'm here for you.
Okay, Mr. Purohit, would you like to say something?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Purohit.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Narendra Purohit, and as I am the product head of this fiber laser department. And today we are holding such a webinar which is going on, and it's a good opportunity to each and every of the customers which is going into this, and it's a complete technical skills we can also develop. And as we told that, as also Metacam is 30 years oldest company in India, and we are the leading manufacturer in the field of fiber laser metal cutting machines, welding machines, CNC routers, CO2 lasers, digital technologies. So we are the pioneers in India, and also in India we have our 22 branch offices with a local team and local service support, and even we are exporting into 18 more countries. We are working into that, so it's a good time. And as you know, the price is also getting lower time to time, so it's a good opportunity for the signage industries to get into this machine.
Yes, so anybody have questions, queries for any equipment of signage? Yeah, you can ask us, sir.
Yes, sir. Let us, sir. So, Mr. Narendra Jangir, he's asking, what is the basic concept of CO2 based fiber laser?
There is nothing like CO2 based fiber laser. CO2 laser technology is different, fiber laser technology is different. There is nothing like CO2 based fiber. The laser which is come out from the CO2 glass tube or metal tube, it can be used to cut acrylic, wood, fabric, paper, etc. And the laser comes out from fiber. It can work on almost all kind of metals. So it's different technology.
Okay. So next question I will ask Mr. Uday Gandhi. He has raised his hand, so he'll just ask you the question. Mr. Uday Gandhi, I'm unmuting you, so you can ask the question directly. Yes,
Hello?
Mr. Gandhi.
Supriya, I am not able to listen to it.
Yes,
You can.
Mr. Gandhi, your voice is not audible. Are you using Bluetooth? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So what you can do is you can just type your question in the Q&A box. We'll pick it up.
Actually, I don't want to ask any question.
So your voice is not clear. It's like there's some distortion.
Do my voice was okay, Supriya?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear. Mr. Gandhi's voice is not clear. So I'll ask him to please, ask the question in the Q&A box. So next is Mr. Vimal Dholakia. I am unmuting you, Mr. Dholakia. You can go and ask your question, please. Mr. Vimal Dholakia, you can ask your question.
My voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for a nice webinar meeting. By this meeting, we will get the technical information about the CO2 laser and the fiber laser. One more question I have to ask that for metal cutting, we are using in our industries, we are using laser cutting, maximum laser cutting. As per my knowledge, CO2 laser cutting cost is higher than the fiber laser cutting cost. Is it true?
Supriya, what was the question? Last line I could not listen.
Sir, even I couldn't listen it properly.
Hello.
I think.
Can you speak little loudly, sir? Almost I got it. The last line I could not got.
CO2 laser cost compared to the fiber cost, I think the fiber laser cutting cost is lower than the CO2 laser cutting cost. Is it true?
Yes.
And one more question. The finish of the by fiber cutting compared to the CO2 cutting, is there any difference?
No. See, Mr. Dholakia sahab. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm getting your voice.
Okay. See, now when you say CO2, it has a two meaning. The laser technology to cut metal is not a new, is a 30 years, 40 years old technology. And previously, the technology was a CO2 based laser technology, which was available in 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt. And but it was very expensive, and the cutting cost was also very high.
Okay.
Now there is a revolution. Fiber laser cutting machine has came. The price in a competition went down and down. And so sometimes when you say CO2 laser, I just wanted to say that don't mix up with the CO2 laser to cut acrylic and wood with the CO2 laser which was available. Now it is completely finished for metal cutting.
We are only concerned about the metal cutting, SS and the MS.
Yeah. So now CO2 laser is almost stopped worldwide.
Okay.
Finish. Technology gone.
The simple question, one more question is there. Can we say the fiber costing is less 50% than the CO2 costing?
See, when you say costing, the cost of the machine or cost of the production?
Fiber laser cutting cost is half of the CO2 laser cutting cost.
No, you are talking about the machine cost, or you are talking about the operating cost?
Dholakia,
I'm talking about
Mr. Dholakia. Hello, Mr. Dholakia.
Yes, sir.
Actually, your voice is not clear at all, and it's echoing. So, like, I think it will be better if you can just put your question in the Q&A section.
Supriya,
Yes,
no,
sir.
let me finish it now. At least I understood and
Okay, you've understood.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, not a
Yeah.
problem.
See now when CO2 laser for metal cutting, the technology has finished, not available. There is no point of comparison. Dolakia sahab,
Yes.
no point of comparison. And one thing you understand, the old technology get phased out, new technology emerge. It's only possible when there is so many advantage of the new technology. Dolakia sahab.
Yes, sir. I'm getting you.
Yeah, and as far as the machine cost is now 1/4, I would say that, then the CO2 laser which was available, even production cost is also very, very less in fiber laser. And that is why the big market opportunity and market is growing, and big opportunity for you all to enter into fiber laser cutting machine. There was no machine available less than 2 crore in CO2. Now 1 kilowatt is easily available at between 25 to 30 lakhs. And that's again with the 3 years guarantee. You can use it for 24 hours.
Okay. But one more question. If we are going to compare with the CO2 laser cutting with the fiber laser cutting, can we say that the compared to the CO2 costing, fiber laser cutting cost will be approximately 40 to 50% only?
Rather, it will be much lesser than even 40 to 50%.
Nowadays.
Nowadays, is from the day one and today also.
Okay. And
And
one
that is
more
the
last
reason fiber laser technology grows a lot against old CO2 laser technology.
one last question. Is it true that the CO2 laser cutting speed is higher than the fiber laser cutting speed? Is it true?
Absolutely wrong.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Dholakia, I hope all your questions have been answered.
Okay.
Sir,
Take
if
the
you have
next.
any more questions, yeah,
Okay.
you can
Thank you.
just put it
Thank you.
on the Q&A box, sir. Okay. So next question is from Mr. Sachin Pathare. He's asking, whether this machine can cut all metal plates and up to what thickness can it work?
Yeah, it's a very important question. In fiber laser cutting machines, there are different range of power source. The basic is a 1 kilowatt. Then the next is 1.5 kilowatt fiber source, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt, and so on up to 25 kilowatt. These days it is available. So, and each let's take example for 1 kilowatt. Like 1 kilowatt can 4 mm of SS, very good quality, 8 mm of MS, good quality, around 2.5 mm of aluminum, 1.5 mm of brass and copper. The same way as the wattage increases, the thickness of each metal which can be cut also increases. We have a complete chart with us which wattage can cut what thickness of different material, and that is also mentioned in our catalog, and we have a complete table is also available. You can ask us, we will send it to you, and as per your requirement you can select.
Okay, sir. So next question is from Mr. Abhishek Kumar. He's asking you to share the details of CNC routers, the CNC routers that your company provides.
See, now when you ask about the details, it's not a very complete question. It's not occurring what to reply. Detail about the models, detail about the applications, detail about the features. But now CNC routers, the application has increased a lot in sign industries, particularly to cut ACP, aluminum composite panel. Everybody use the CNC router. There is no alternative of it. CNC router can cut acrylic, MDF, and for signage industries, the lowest cost of CNC router can be also used which is around 4.5 lakhs rupees with a 1 year 100% guarantee. And we have a different range of models with more different speeds and different rigidity. So for signage, if one, if someone want to go with the lowest investment, with the investment of 4.5 lakhs rupees, he can easily can do almost all kind of work of signage which CNC router can do.
Okay. I hope your question has been answered, sir. Next question is basically Mr. Prathamesh Mohite. He's asking whether these machines come with both CO2 and fiber source, and do you manufacture these machines?
Sorry, Supriya, what you said last?
He has asked whether these machines come with both CO2 and fiber source.
Prathamesh bhai, you mean to say that the one machine which has a CO2 facilities also and fiber laser cutting head also, so one person can cut acrylic whenever he wanted to cut acrylic through CO2 laser and metal through fiber laser. That is your question, Prathamesh bhai?
Yeah, sir. Actually, he has sent it in the Q&A section.
No, but hello, Supriya, I should get confirm whether he is listening my voice or not.
Yes, he is, because he's just asked this question like 5 minutes back. So he's there, but I'll have to see. I'll have to check with, in the attendees section if you want him to speak himself.
Because I don't get the response from the, then it's difficult to explain, like, because
yeah, sir, actually the thing is like right now there's a lot of disturbance, so if not everybody is using proper earphones and headphones, so that is why I have asked people to just put their questions in the Q&A section.
No, but Dholkia साहब का भी अच्छा interaction हुआ. You can try it with
okay, I'll try.
Yeah,
I'll try.
then yeah.
Okay,
then
so next we'll ask Mr. Devarishi Paul Chaudhary. He's raising his hand. Mr. Chaudhary, I'm just unmuting you. You can speak, please. Mr. Devarishi Paul Chaudhary, you can ask your question, please.
Yes, I would like to, Mr. Shailesh Mehta, I'd like to know more about the product on fiber laser, the application, the market, and this industry, what you are talking about. Because since this webinar is on the metal laser, fiber laser, so we are not talking about that actually, that application, the market and all. I would like to know more about on that.
Yes, absolutely. And it's a very good question, sir. Nowadays, steel laters are getting popular, and all the steel laters can be cut from stainless steel sheet through fiber laser cutting machine. So all the signage of metal, LED with metal laters are all can be cut, which market is growing, number one. Number two, certain brass later which looks very elegant and rich signage. So all small signage, indoor signage, hotel signage are also cut from brass. So that also can be done with the fiber laser cutting machine. Aluminum signage is also very popular. So aluminum sheet also can be cut with the fiber laser cutting machine. So all the signage made from metals, the fiber laser cutting machines are used. And the profitability of metal signage is much more than digital printing, and much more good, elegant look of metal signage than just a digital printing. So this all signage. Then another, the interior decoration. Now wherever you go, any restaurant, new hotels, offices, the metal cutting is widely used as an interior decoration in the back wall, cladding, so many, jalia cutting and all. Now, because the metal sheets nowadays are available with a different finishing, like brush gold, silver, metallic green, yellow. And they cut this sheet through fiber laser cutting machine. and they also put some background behind that, and they create wonderful look. So fiber laser cutting machine has also huge application in interior decorations. Third, lot of gift articles, metal gift articles. Everywhere people have to cut the sheets, so that's all can be cut. Even engineering industries, any kind of engineering work, dabba, dabbi, anything you say, everything, one has to cut the metal sheet first. And that all sheet cutting can be done with the fiber laser. Even like example, Almira, Almira.
Okay.
There are so many manufacturers of Almira. I believe that every city will have a 5-6, big cities have a 15-20 Almira manufacturer. These days, the Almira manufacturers also buying a lot of laser cutting machines. If I have to say applications, then the common control panels and all. So if you go for fiber laser cutting machine, you can do the work for your own signage. You can do the work for all the freelancer people who are getting work done, job work done, and supply to the customers and users. You can also contact to these varieties of industries who require to cut the metals, and if your machine could remain occupied for even 4 to 5 hours, I tell you that there is a great return on investment. Now, there is so much work of metal cutting into the market. And because the metal cutting has become very low cost, thanks to fiber laser technology, the demand of work is also huge in the market.
So you see the growth is there in this market. And the fiber laser.
I would say that looking to the international market, like we keep going to China and other countries, I tell you, still in India, it's a beginning. Believe me, it is a beginning. And once you become the senior into these industries, then you can go for higher wattage of machine to do more varieties of cutting job work for the different more thickness of the metals. As it is not a very low cost machine, like
yes,
it's all relative terms costing is, but it just is a 25 lakh. It starts with around 25 lakhs rupees. So even small signage people may not afford to buy or invest 25-30 lakhs rupees for metal cutting. So they will definitely will go for a job working who is having the fiber laser cutting machine. So you can also get a lot of job work from the market.
Okay. So other than signage industry, what are other industries we can enter for this laser cutting?
See, I would say that you name the industries where metal is used, sheet metal is used everywhere. Now all the cutting is done with the fiber laser cutting machine only. So I would say that you name it, machinery manufacturing, every machinery required to cut sheet metals. So
okay,
everywhere it is used, you name it.
okay. So, sir, can we take the next question, please?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next question is from Mr. Abhishek Kumar. He's asking that he's saying that he's planning to set up a machine for 3D or 2D carving. So which machine is suitable for that? Basically, I think he wants to set up a business with 3D and 2D carving, and he's asking which machine is suitable.
See, generally, when they talk about 2D and 3D carving, then the wood, it's generally people do 2D, 3D carving on a wood. So immediately, if it is a wood, acrylic or anything, then CNC router is the right product. CNC router can do all 2D cutting and 3D cutting. So he wanted to do carving on a wood or something else.
He has not said anything about that. Okay, not an issue. Let's take up.
Interaction will be much more better, Supriya.
Yes, I know, but there are a lot of people who are asking on Q&A. So,
but at least you confirm. Do they have listen
yes,
my
sir.
answer?
So let's take this voice thing only. So next question is from Mr. Pratik Mehta. I'll allow him to talk. So Mr. Mehta, I'm unmuting you. You can ask your question, please.
Pratik bhai.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Pratik bhai.
Sir, I want to know, as you said that we can cut all type of metals. I have a lot of requirements for aluminum cutting. But people say that aluminum cutting on fiber laser is quite difficult and risky for fiber source. So I wanted to know, is it appropriate that we can cut aluminum on fiber laser? And
Yes.
how often we can cut aluminum?
Yeah, your queries is also right. Question is also right. But now it's very, very safe to cut aluminum, brass, or copper through fiber laser cutting machines. In the initial stage, there were some reflection issues because aluminum, brass, and copper have a highest ratio of reflection of laser beam. So, but now, so sometimes it was damaging while reflection. The laser again go back to the laser source, and it was damaging the fiber laser source. But now it is not a very big problem. The problem almost solved since long back. But for a better side, when we install the machine, there is a certain techniques to cut all these reflective materials. Reflective materials means aluminum, brass, copper. So if you follow the techniques, there is no any problem. However, we give a 3 years guarantee on fiber source also. So by chance also, if there is a problem, if there is a damage in the fiber source, we are going to give you free of cost services. Of course, it doesn't mean that you use very roughly or not following the techniques which is being taught. Otherwise, it will damage, but you will be sufferer. So if you follow the system of cutting, there is no problem.
And one more thing I want to know that which source is better as we compare IPG German or Rekas China?
See, now you should understand IPG is world's #1 brand, and looking to the today's situation, Rekas is #2 in the world. Now, both has a certain advantages and disadvantages. So both sources are good, stable. IPG is expensive than Rekas. At the same time, less than 3 kilowatt, IPG give 2 years guarantee, Rekas give 3 years guarantee. So it's a mature technology. All are good product. Otherwise, no product would be sold in the market.
Thank you, sir. I'm done with my questions. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Supriya.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Mehta. Thank you. Okay, so next question is from Mr. Sandeep Kaushik. I'll just.
Hi, Mr. Mehta. Good afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Sandeep bhai.
A couple of things. One is you were saying that your fiber laser can cut through most of the metals. So, what is your bed then made of?
Sorry.
Your fiber laser machine can cut through most metals, you said.
Yes.
So, what is the bed made of? You have the bed of the fiber machine, the laser machine, where you place your media.
Narendra, I could not understand.
We place the media, the aluminum sheet.
Which casting bed or like fabricated? They are asking about bed.
The bed of the machine. Where I place the media. Where I place the.
So you are asking for the sizes of the bed?
No. What material is it made of?
It's a metal. It's all MS. metal.
So
They are asking,
doesn't
sir, they are asking.
Narendra, it's okay. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, doesn't the laser affect the bed? Is what I'm asking.
See, there is a we provide a zigzag strips at at certain distance on the bed on which you have to put the sheets. So there is a sharp tip of each zigzag strips. So on the sharp edges, the sheets will be mounted. In the long run of cutting, maybe like 1 year, 2 years, the damage, it damages the tip of the strips. In that case, the strips are very, very low cost, and one can change the strips time to time.
The other thing I would want to know is you deal with flatbed UV printers. So.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we manufacture.
Yeah, you manufacture them. The fiber laser printer is not manufactured by you, is it?
No, everything is manufactured in our factory, sir.
Okay.
I already introduced in the beginning. Still, let me tell you, we are the largest manufacturer of CO2 lasers machines, fiber laser cutting machine, all range, CNC routers, UV flatbed printers. Now we have already introduced flex printers. Everything is made in India in our factory setup facility.
Okay. My question was, when you have these flatbed UV printers, and if I have to make tactile signs, I need to touch and feel the sign, especially for the people who are if I make signs in Braille.
Braille lipi, yeah.
Yeah. So if I have to make, what is the kind of deposit height maximum that I could go for a signage if I printed on UV? Thickness.
I understand that if you wanted to make the brain lipi signage for blind people, then what height dots should be printed, right?
To what height can the dots in your machine be printed? Up to what height?
Sir, I believe
for Braille, 2 mm is fine.
Yeah, hello. So even more than 2. See now, there is a certain.
I'm sorry to intervene. It's just that I wanted to know if I don't restrict that to only Braille and I go in for some other creative designs where I have
embossing you are talking about.
Yeah, different depths at different levels. If I have to do,
yes.
Say I have 5 mm in one level, 3 mm in another, 6 in another.
Yes, everything is possible.
So what is the maximum that I could go towards?
See now, as such, you can go as height, thickness. Let's say you wanted to create while printing, you will require to have more and more pass, and it will keep on increasing more and more thickness on the surface.
Correct.
So
there would be a point when it touches the head. So I want to know what is the kind of.
No. See now, if you are very clear that you want the 5 mm of thickness of printing, then you can also set the print head. Height adjustment facilities is already given to the machine.
Okay,
so you can do almost anything, whatever you wanted to do. It's only your cost will increase, more time will increase, ink cost will increase.
Yeah, and do you have clear ink or something that is clear?
Sir, now it's a very, very common. We name it as a varnish, and varnish is available for each print head. Almost all machines can be available with the varnish. Yes.
If I have a combination of varnish which is clear and white, can it happen the same thing, or I can't have it working together?
No, you can have both, of course. White is also important to somebody, and varnish is also important to somebody.
Okay, so in your print head that you got to have, how many ink slots do you have? And
how many?
ink slots do you have? How many heads do you have?
No, see, like suppose, see, we have a different range, different type of machines, and we also have to make the customize. Hello,
Okay, yeah, I get that.
we have to make customized machines also. Everybody's requirement is different. It's different from industries to industries. Some people require white, some people require both white and varnish. Some people don't require white and varnish, they just require the colors CMYK. Some people require the CMYK with LC, light cyan and
Yeah,
light magenta.
yeah.
So we understand the customer's requirement, and accordingly we suggest them, we communicate, and then one can go ahead. Everything is available. Some people want the very high precision printing, somebody want the high speed printing. So the all the combination and systems are different. The position of print head in the carriage is also different.
Okay.
Even we can guide it, we can understand the customer's requirement, and we can suggest certain alternatives, and customer can choose the number of print head and the position of print head.
Thanks, Mr.
Are you getting, sir?
Nothing else. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kaushik.
Thank you.
So next question is from Mr. Mohammed Chavi. Mr. Chavi, you can talk. I'm unmuting you. You can ask your question, please. Mr. Mohammed Chavi.
Mr. Mohammed Bhai. Salam alaikum.
So Priya, he is not unmuted. Yeah,
Uh,
he is.
No, he is
Am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Mohammed Bhai.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
good afternoon. Salam alaikum.
Wassalam. So it's regarding, I just wanted to comprise of three things and a quick suggestion. You in the introduction you said about rock bottom price, right? So if you could just give an idea as to how the pricing goes with the sizes and the details. B, about the health issue and the pollution, like cutting metal. Do we need to go for the pollution control approvals from the ministries? Does it fall into that? And also with normal CNC cutting, when you cut metal, it emits a lot of sound. That's an issue. Sound pollution and smell. So does that control in fiber is what I wanted to know, because at times you have your setup at residential areas, and then you're subject to a lot of other hassles. I mean, it shouldn't be health hazardous, right? And number three, we talked about price, a health issue, and electricity consumption. Does it work on single phase, or do we need to have a three phase setup, and the electricity consumption, because that adds to the pricing also. And a quick suggestion was, if you could just initially have a PPT presentation with the application of the machine and how it looks, that would have answered a lot of questions. Because right now we cannot figure it out as to how the machine looks, what's the make of it. Like a gentleman asked about the bed. So since we've not seen the machine and the presentation, a short video would have answered a lot of questions, sir. I guess, maybe. And, so what happens is, right now, I don't know if it looks like a dinosaur or an elephant, right? So.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
sir,
would have made it easy for us to understand the machine and the application. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Mohammed Bhai. First, this is the reason we participate in almost varieties of exhibition, and
yes,
your kind of enthusiastic and business oriented people should visit to the exhibitions where you can see
we've been there, sir.
Personally.
Yes, sir, we've been there.
Since last 3 years, 4 years, there is no exhibition where we have not displayed the metal cutting machine.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
so now Supriya, are we allowed to take the phone number so that later stage we can send them our presentation of fiber laser cutting machine?
Yes, definitely. In fact, all of the attendees, they will be sent a mail. So that mail will contain your email ID, and like email ID of MEX as well. So
however, if Mohammed Bhai can speak the mobile number now, then Narendra, you can write down, so you can
Yes, sir.
send him the complete
Yes, sir. It's,
presentation of our fiber laser cutting machine, which
yes,
almost
it's okay, sir. It's okay.
will
You can do
answer
that.
all of the queries.
Thank
Yes,
you so
sir.
very much.
So
Yes,
now,
sir.
but
Thank you.
still I have to reply your some of the questions, queries. Number one, the cost. Now, the lowest cost of the fiber laser cutting machine is around 25 lakhs to 26
Fantastic.
lakhs. And it can cut SS up to 4 mm, good quality, MS up to 8 mm, good quality,
Fantastic.
aluminum up to 2.5 mm, good quality, brass 1.5, and so on. Second, of course, when you nowadays the CNC router can cut only brass, aluminum, copper, but
Yes.
CNC router are not used to cut the aluminum and MS for cutting the CNC router doesn't cut the stainless steel and MS. To cut the SS, stainless steel and MS, you have no choice other than the fiber laser cutting machine.
Okay.
Of course, CNC router, if you use the CNC router to cut the aluminum and brass, there is definitely a big noise. And if you wanted to save yourself from this noise pollution, definitely fiber laser is a good alternatives.
Fantastic.
Regarding the smoke or hazardous flame, we provide the blower system, where whatever the
Okay.
are generated, it will take it and can throw it outside of your premises. And if you are in residence area, then odor reduction unit are also available, which you can purchase separately, where
Okay.
the straight away will go to the odor reduction unit,
Fantastic.
and the fresh air will be thrown out from that odor reduction unit. So
Great.
the neighbors will not have any problem if you buy the odor reduction unit. Then the next question is the 3-phase and single phase. This all fiber laser cutting machines are 3-phase. Hello, Mohammed Bhai.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm with you. Great.
It's all
Fantastic.
3-phase. No single phase fiber laser cutting machines are available.
Fantastic.
And as far as the electrical consumption is concerned, it takes around 17 to 18 maximum kilowatt. But if you take it as an average, because when the machine starts, it goes to the peak. So
Yes.
at that time, high power. But the general consumption, the average consumption will be around 8 to 9 kilowatt for this fiber laser cutting machine.
Fantastic. Sir, can we have engraving done as well, or just cutting?
Just
Can we
cutting.
use
See,
just cutting?
now it's a very tricky question. Now, suppose if you wanted to mark
Yes, sir. Marking. Exactly.
line drawing, line diagram, then you can, the power is a variable. You can
Fantastic.
set the lowest power with the in the software, and it will just mark in the linings like Mehta, whatever
Yes. Yes.
vector image, not raster image. Understand? Is a very important.
Okay. So, like an image would not be possible.
But vector linings can be marked on the metal.
Okay. Fantastic. Like what you have similar functioning on a CNC CO2. Sorry, a CO2 or a CNC machine. I mean, that's what you play with the software.
CO2 laser can accept the raster image.
Yes.
Half tone image also it can accept in CO2
Yes.
laser, and you can do engraving on acrylic or wood with the CO2 laser,
Yes.
where the raster image in which the carriage move right and left,
Yes.
but
Yes.
that thing is not possible in fiber laser cutting
Ah,
machine.
is it? Okay. Okay. And just about the health issue, sir. Is it hazardous as in?
Absolutely
like,
not.
No, no. Great.
No.
Okay, sir. Thank you so very much. Fantastic.
Thank you so much, Mohammed Bhai. Most welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes, Supriya.
So the next question is from Regent Care. Like the person's name is not mentioned here. It's Regent Care. So whoever is speaking from Regent Care, I'm just unmuting you. You can ask your question, please.
Please
Hello.
move to the next question, Supriya. We don't have Regent Care here.
Okay. Mr. Rakesh Kumar, would you like to ask your question?
So please unmute him.
Yeah, he's on unmute, ma'am. I think.
No, he is not. Mr. Rakesh Kumar to be unmuted.
Okay, so I think he has.
Hello.
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 Yeah, Mr. Kumar.
So myself, Rakesh Kumar from Odisha.
Okay, Rakesh bhai.
हाँ भाई, एक्चुअली मेरे को कॉम्बो मशीन चाहिए, मतलब वो आपका शीट मेटलिंग के साथ पाइप कटिंग मशीन.
Yes, sir.
तो which is better, combo is better या individual is better?
A very good question. देखिए, आपका पाइप कटिंग का वर्क या शीट मेटल कटिंग का वर्क कितने क्वांटम में है, उसके हिसाब से राइट और रॉन्ग होगा कि कॉम्बो में जाना चाहिए या सेपरेट में जाना चाहिए. अगर आप, क्योंकि एक टाइम के अंदर में तो एक ही काम होगा, या तो पाइप कटिंग होगी या शीट कटिंग होगी.
नहीं, अगर मैंने कुल दोनों काम होता है, हमारा सीट का तो ज्यादा है, पाइप का भी है, मतलब वो जैसे कि पाइप हो गया तो जैसे मिलिंग फिलिंग का काम है वो नहीं होगा, जो होल फॉल होता है ना.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, वो क्या ना, सीट कटिंग तो मतलब जैसे कि सीट जितना कटिंग है वो हो जाएगा. जब पाइप कटिंग हो जाएगा, पाइप कटिंग जो होगा वो उसमें प्रोडक्शन इंडिविजुअल में ज्यादा निकलेगा या बेटर कौन सा होगा, मतलब पाइप में मतलब कौन सा बेटर होगा?
सर, मेरी आपकी बातों से मुझे ये लगता है कि आपको कॉम्बो में जाना चाहिए. इसलिए जाना चाहिए क्योंकि आपका शीट का कटिंग का काम ज्यादा है और पाइप का कटिंग का काम थोड़ा थोड़ा रहेगा.
नहीं, पाइप का कटिंग ज्यादा है.
अच्छा, मान के चलो उल्टा होगा तो पाइप ज्यादा होगा, सीट कम होगा
तो भी कॉम्बो में जा सकते हैं. आपका पाइप कटिंग का जो स्पीड रहेगा कटिंग का कॉम्बो के अंदर में या स्पेशल पाइप कटिंग के अंदर में, दोनों में सेम स्पीड रहेगा.
अच्छा.
जब दोनों ज्यादा होता है तो सेपरेट लेना चाहिए. दोनों पाइप या शीट में से कोई भी एक कम है तो आप कॉम्बो में जा सकते हैं.
अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू.
चेंज करके कितना लगेगा? चेंज करके कितना लगेगा?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kumar. So our next question is from Mr. Harsh Shah. Mr. Shah, you can ask your question, please. Mr. Harsh Shah.
From which city?
Hello, sir. I'm Harsh Shah from Mumbai.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I've been asking for two things. I'm from Mr. Sanfab, and we've been into industrial textiles. So we have a lot of work that is related to textile, and we need to get them profile cutting.
Okay.
So I would like to know what kind of machinery to be go under.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to know what kind of machines should I go for this slitting, because we have jumbo rolls of around 600 meters, and how to go for it.
No, so your question is how to cut the fabric which you have in a jumbo rolls, right?
Yes, but we have specific example. Just consider it. We have I want to cut that fabric into a circular 80 mm circular diameter, and I have a fabric of 600-meter length. So how to go for it, and what kind of machine should I go for in
Yeah,
laser? In laser.
yeah. Of course, for fabric cutting, the CO2 laser machines are very, very popular. Number
Okay.
one. Number two, now we have the CO2 laser machine with conveyor belt system.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And we also make the customize this CO2 laser machine according to the pana, or let's say width of your rolls. So
Yeah.
the rolls can be kept in the back of the CO2 laser, and the machine will cut the fabric round circles which you wanted to cut, and automatically it will unwind, and it will keep bringing the material in
Yes.
front, and
Yes.
it's automatic process. So
Okay, sir.
we have a CO2 laser machine with conveyor belt system, particular to cut the fabric which is available in roll form.
Okay, and I just maybe a silly question. Is it advisable to get it on fiber laser cutting, or it's CO2 laser cutting is best for this process?
Fiber laser cutting machine cannot work on fabric. If you,
Okay.
yeah, only CO2 laser can cut the fabric.
Yeah, that's why I said it may be a bit of silly question, but yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
There was one more thing while you were saying in the meeting, in the seminar, I heard that you've been making flex printer machines. You've been
Yes.
supplying. I have one question: how many colors? Like how many million colors, or how many slot of colors you have been providing? Is CMYK only thing, or do you have more of them?
See, generally in solvent printer, CMYK, this 4 color can produce any color. It's enough. But still,
Okay. Yes.
if someone wants the very high quality of printing, then they also go for light cyan, light magenta, like this. But in solvent printer, in last 15 years, we have not sold other than
Okay.
CMYK. So CMYK is good enough to print, to develop the print on flex, any colors. It's okay.
Okay. And one more thing, what thickness of material would the flex printer accept?
What you wanted to print?
Basically, we've been working for one of the billboard making companies, if you know, and they've been asking for the printing process. So currently we are making the fabric for them.
Okay.
And they've been asking if there's a source out for making a for printing process.
Yeah, generally for fabric printing, the UV printer is also a good solution.
Okay.
You can also print some fabric on solvent printers. It's depend on the quality of printing what required. So UV printer and solvent printer both can be used to print on a fabric these days.
Okay.
And thickness, any damn thickness of fabric, whatever available in the market, this all solvent printer or UV printer can print. Not a big deal.
Okay, perfectly fine. Thank you for the answer, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so next question, like we'll just take a couple of more questions because time won't allow us to, take up everything. And like we have been bombarded with questions, so many questions. So let's, next question is from Mr. Vipul Gangar. Mr. Gangar, you can ask your question, please.
First of all, thanks to the MetaCAD Camp and the team who supported us for the same. Today, you have given us opportunity to say, and we are proud of our director, Mr. Shailesh Bhai. Whenever I meet him, I seen he's a personally taking interest in each and every customer from deep of the heart. He is solving the problem like a Narendra Modi. I really salute him. We have completed 51 years with the engineering and supporting industries. I found the right person to first of all Shailesh Bhai and the team. Thank you.
Thank you, Vipul bhai. Thank you so much. Any queries, sir?
No query, sir. We want to buy two machines, 2 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine, and another one is 3 kilowatt laser cutting machine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So anytime you can contact us. I'm always available. WhatsApp or direct. If you have my phone number, I can give you my phone. Not have, I can give you my phone number. Call me anytime. Call my people. We are always available for you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Love you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so let us take some questions from the Q&A section now. We'll just take one more question.
Let's do interaction. No, is still.
Actually,
Can we, if we can extend for 15-20 minutes.
Not everybody, like whoever had raised their hands, so we have taken up everyone's queries.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, if we can go to the Q&A section, we can just take a couple of more questions.
Even can I read the questions and whatever I found a good question, I can answer like this.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, you can check. You can check the Q&A box, please.
Q&A box. No.
Hello.
Hello.
Vimal Dolakia here from Top India Elevator Private Limited, Rajkot.
Vimal bhai.
Is my audio is okay?
Yes.
Okay. One more question I have to ask you. In laser cutting, we are facing some kind of little problem with the pre-design finish sheet. We are procuring the design pre-design sheets, galvanized sheets from abroad. In that, the laser machine is not sufficient to cut. They can cut, but the pre-designed sheet is a बहुत ही पतला लेयर है एक प्लास्टिक का, जो लेजर कटिंग के टाइम में बहुत ही वो बूंदी जैसा हो जाता है, और वो लेजर गन के साथ में या लेजर ग्लास के साथ में चिपक जाने का डर रहता है. That's why हमारा जो लेजर कटिंग वाला, we are doing all the jobs from job works, not we are having any own machine. So हमारा job work वाला बोलता है कि ये प्री डिजाइन प्री फिनिश जो शीट है, गैल्वेनाइज्ड शीट, वो लेजर के ऊपर नहीं हो सकेगा, उसके लिए टरेट में ही जाना पड़ेगा. So what is the solution for that?
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Vipul bhai. You said that pre-designed
sheet.
I think you wanted to say that pre-coated, not designed.
Pre-coated, yes, pre-coated. Sorry.
Okay. So you want the coated sheet to be cut, on which there is some plastic sheets are available, and because of the plastic sheets on that, the cutting is not done properly, right?
Yes. वो प्लास्टिक चिपक जाता है ग्लास के साथ में, ऐसा डर रहता है हमारे जॉब वर्क वाले को, जिसके पास लेजर मशीन है, जिसके पास फाइबर लेजर मशीन है.
राजकोट के अंदर में हमारे बहुत सारे मशीन्स हैं, और ऐसा हो तो एक ऑफ कोर्स उन लोगों ने कुछ कहा है कि दे आर नॉट एबल टू कट योर दिस मटेरियल, तो उनका एक्सपीरियंस होगा, वो उनके हिसाब से सही कहते होंगे, पर मेरी दृष्टि के अंदर में बहुत सारे ऐसे टेक्निक्स है जिससे हम ये शीट को काट सकते हैं, हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं. तो आप हमको अगर छोटा सा सैंपल A3 साइज का 1-2 सैंपल अगर हमको आप भेजते हैं, तो हम कुछ आइडिया लगा के उसका टेक्निक सेट करके हम आपको कट करके कैसे कट करना वो हम आपको कट हो जाता है. तो हमारे काफी मशीन है राजकोट के अंदर में, तो उनको भी अगर हम लोग समझा देंगे तो उसके बाद में उनको आपका कटिंग का जॉब वर्क करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए.
Is there any machine in Metoda GIDC? Your Meta's machine is there?
राजकोट में मेटोडा GIDC में है क्या अपने मशीन्स?
हाँ सर, हमारे टोटल राजकोट में 7 to 8 मशीन है सर हमारे।
मगर मेटोडा जीआईडीसी में है क्या?
हाँ, मेटोडा में भी होगा। देयर इज, हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव है राजकोट के अंदर। तो सर मैं अभी ये कॉल के बाद उनको कह देता हूँ, इफ यू कैन गिव अस नंबर, आप हमें नंबर दे सकते हैं तो मेरी टीम को मैं कहता हूँ वो आपसे कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे सर।
In my registration, I have given my all email ID and my contact numbers and everything. One more question, कि जब हम लेजर कटिंग में फाइबर या सीओटी कोई में भी लेजर कटिंग में हमारा लिफ्ट का केबिन का कटिंग रहता है, तो जो डिजाइनर शीट्स आता है, गोल्डन डिजाइन, सिल्वर डिजाइन, इंपोर्टेड शीट्स के ऊपर जो शीट का कॉस्टिंग 12,000 15,000 डिपेंड्स ऑन द शीट्स रहता है, जब हम वो लेजर कटिंग के प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर डालते हैं जहां पे वो आपका एरो टाइप का बेड है, तो वो डालने में, लगाने में, निकालने में स्क्रैचेस आ जाता है। तो हमने सोचा कि अगर यही चीज टरेट मशीन के ऊपर किया जाए तो हमारा लेजर कॉस्टिंग से कम हो जाएगा, फिर टरेट में एसएस या एमएस का कॉस्टिंग डिफरेंस नहीं है। तीसरी चीज, जो हमारा प्री डिजाइन सीट है उसमें जो अभी दिक्कत आ रही है वो नहीं आएगी। सो गिव योर आइडिया अबाउट द टरेट मशीन एंड द फाइबर लेदर मशीन, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ दैट?
सी, टरेट के अंदर में टूल से कट होता है और लेजर के अंदर में लेजर से कट होता है। पर आपके एक्सपीरियंस से टरेट पंच में आपका काम हो जाता है। मैं तो इतना कर सकता हूं कि आप अगर हमें सैंपल देंगे तो हम लेजर कटिंग से भी अच्छा कटिंग क्वालिटी आपको दे सकते हैं। अगर आपका कोई भी और टाइप का कटिंग शेप होगा या प्रिसीशन कटिंग, आपको मेरी दृष्टि में लेजर से ज्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा टरेट पंच के बदले।
वो सही बात है कि टरेट में थोड़ा बहुत लिमिटेशंस भी है, मगर टरेट में थोड़ा बहुत फायदा भी ये है कि एमएस एसएस में कोई फर्क नहीं है कटिंग कॉस्ट में। और दूसरी चीज, हमारा ज्यादातर 1.2 1 mm का एसएस एमएस का काम रहता है, और एमएस का जो हमारा जो ज्यादातर सेफ्टी फ्रेम और अदर ज्यादा स्ट्रक्चरल डिजाइन जो हम करते हैं वो 8 mm तक जाता है। उसके लिए तो 100% लेजर इज ओके रहेगा, क्योंकि उसमें तो टरेट का लिमिटेशन ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 mm तक है, और 3 mm भी कोई टरेट में जाएगा नहीं। मगर ज्यादातर जहां पे मेरा कॉस्टली सीट का सवाल है, जहां पे मेरा प्री डिजाइन सीट का सवाल है, वहां पे मुझे जो फिनिश मिलता है एज पे वो थोड़ा रफ मिलता है और ब्लैकी हो जाता है, जो हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है कि हमको जो दिखाना है वो रफ नहीं दिखना चाहिए। उसमें हम सोच रहे हैं कि टरेट में ज्यादा फायदा होगा। अभी तक हमने टरेट में कुछ काम करवाया नहीं है, मगर टरेट में वो हमारा जो थोड़ा बहुत दिक्कत है वो निकल जाएगा, ऐसा हम सोच सकते हैं।
एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि टरेट इज ऑलमोस्ट नाउ फेसिंग आउट। टरेट अब मार्केट में से आउट होता जा रहा है ऑलमोस्ट। और मैंने आपको फिर से कह रहा हूं कि आपका जो, देखिए, आप अगर जॉब वर्क करवाएंगे तो जॉब वर्क वाले आपकी मैगी शीट को किस तरह से हैंडल करेंगे वो डिफिकल्ट टू से। यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ योर मटेरियल। तो अगर आपके एक बार अगर हमारे फैसिलिटीज में, डेमो रूम में अगर अच्छी तरह से कट करते और उसको अगर आपको क्वालिटी एक्सेप्टेबल है, तो अगर आप इन हाउस मशीन ले लेंगे तो आप आपके महंगे मटेरियल को यू कैन हैंडल विथ केयर, और जो स्क्रैचेस वगैरह का जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको डेफिनेटली एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं। दूसरा, आपने जो ब्लैक हो जाता है बॉर्डर के अंदर में, एज के अंदर में,
और रफ भी होता है,
उसके अंदर में भी आप जब बाहर जो वर्क करवाते हैं तो वो कौन सा गैस यूज करते हैं, हु नोज इट। तो आप अगर इन हाउस फैसिलिटी होगा तो आप क्वालिटी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं।
सर जी, इन हाउस फैसिलिटी, यस, 1 मिनट।
ओके सर।
इन हाउस फैसिलिटी में इसलिए नहीं रखता कि मेरा 100% वर्क लेजर कटिंग के ऊपर ही है, और अगर मेरा एक मशीन भी होगा तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू कटिंग माय रिक्वायरमेंट्स फ्रॉम 1 मशीन। तो मैंने 3 वेंडर डेवलप किया हुआ है जो मेरा लेजर का काम आज के तारीख में करते हैं, और तीनों लोग डेली मेरा कुछ ना कुछ काम करके मुझे टाइम पे देते हैं। अगर मैं इन हाउस जाऊंगा तो मेरा लिमिटेशंस बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, मेरा कॉस्टिंग बढ़ जाएगा।
खैर, हर एक चीज को बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से देखा जा सकता है। हर एक की अपने विजन, अपने विजडम्स के ऊपर ये डिसीजन होता है. इट्स ओके, इफ यू आर हैप्पी इट्स फाइन.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट.
Yes,
थैंक यू.
thank you so much, Vipul bhai.
थैंक यू.
Okay, sir.
Supriya,
Yeah, sir. Sir,
एक
would
किसी ने पूछा है कि what is the size of the machines?
yeah.
तो ये फाइबर लेजर कटिंग मशीन के अंदर में जो साइजेस हैं वो 5 feet by 10 feet, 1.5 meter by 3 meter is a very popular. 4 feet by 8 feet is also there. 2 meter by 6 meter, 2.5 meter by 6.5 meter, 2 meter 2.5 meter by 8 meter, ऐसी कुछ स्टैंडर्ड साइज है और हम लोग कस्टमाइज भी बना के देते हैं कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से. So anything and everything is available in the sizes.
Okay. So, sir, we just take one last question. Mr. Paresh Thumar has been raising his hand. So, Mr. Thumar, you can ask your question, please. Mr. Paresh Thumar.
हेलो. हेलो.
यस परेश भाई.
सर वो विमल भाई का क्वेश्चन था. हेलो.
आप कौन से सिटी से बोल रहे हैं?
राजकोट.
यस परेश भाई.
वो विमल भाई का क्वेश्चन था को लेजर में कटिंग करवाते हैं तो वो फिल्म शीट होती है, उसमें थोड़ा बर्निंग आता है. उसका सॉल्यूशन वो है वो ऑक्सीजन से कटिंग करें. ऑक्सीजन से कटिंग करने में ब्लैक ही जाएगी पर कटिंग में जो बर्निंग होगा ना वो नहीं आएगा.
ओके, लेट मी
अगर
चेक
हम
विद माय वेंडर्स.
अगर हम नाइट्रोजन से करेंगे तो फिनिशिंग बढ़िया आएगा और वो बर्निंग का प्रॉब्लम होगा.
ओके,
और दूसरा ऑप्शन ये है,
वेंडर्स.
दूसरा ऑप्शन है अगर हम 2 बार कटिंग करें, एक बार फिल्म कटिंग करें
yes.
और टॉप साइड पे रखते हैं तो वो जो स्क्रैचेस का प्रॉब्लम है वो भी सोल्व हो जाएगा.
तो परेश भाई आपके पास फाइबर लेजर कटिंग मशीन हो तो इनका ही काम करिएगा ना सर, विपुल भाई का.
दूर है, 30 किलोमीटर दूर है.
मेरा लिमिटेशन है मेटोडा में है तो
आपके पास कौन सा मशीन है?
1 किलोवाट एंड 3 किलोवाट फ्रॉम
तो अपना हमारा मेहता का ही मशीन है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
ओके 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 परेश भाई કેમ છો? મજામાં?
મજામાં.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
પરેશ ભાઈ થેન્ક યુ તમારા ઇનપુટ્સ માટે. થેન્ક યુ સર.
ઓકે,
થેન્ક યુ સર. Yes.
Okay.
So Shailesh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I had actually spoken to you and I missed out on a couple of questions. Sandeep here. Can your machine cut through anodized aluminum? If so, does it leave marks around the edges, burnt marks, because it is pre-coated?
No marks on the edges. My laser cutting machines are already used to cut anodized aluminum sheets. We have a specialized laser cutting machine which can cut 1 mm, 1.5 mm, maximum 1.5 mm aluminum anodized sheet without damaging a single % of coating even at the edges.
Another last question is on the CO2 laser when I'm cutting acrylic. If I use a double adhesive tape pasted, application done, and then I cut it along with double adhesive tape, the smokes emitted from that, will it hamper the lens or not?
See, generally, there is a two system is given: airflow from compressor and blower which suck the fumes from the machine. As a matter of fact, it should not damage the lens.
Fine.
Okay. So sorry, we'll have to cut short on the session because there are a lot of questions and all those whose questions have been unanswered or who have not been able to speak to Mr. Mehta, we will share an email with you after the session ends. So there will be an email ID. You can ask all your questions. You can just direct all your questions on that email, and those emails will be forwarded to Mr. Mehta. So Mr. Mehta will be going to take up all your important questions.
So when we reply to this email, the reply will go directly to that customer?
Yes, sir. So we'll just figure it out. We'll brief you on that after the session ends.
No problem.
Okay, and apart from that, we deeply apologize. A lot of more attendees were planning to join, and they had tried, but due to some technical glitch, it couldn't happen. So we deeply apologize to all of them. But they can definitely share their questions to Mr. Mehta.
So even you can share my mobile number. Anybody can call me. They can ask me
Yes,
anything.
sir. So we'll do that in the email. The email that we'll share with them.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
thank you so much, Supriya.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mehta. Thank
Mr.
you so much,
Gaurav,
Mr.
for
Purohit.
your such a wonderful initiative. And I tell you, it's a beginning of a new online system worldwide. And it's really useful. People can get all the information seated in the house.
Yes,
And thank you very much for giving me such a good opportunity to interact with the people.
Thank you
in
so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving your
lockdown
insights.
period. It's a
Yes,
good time.
yes.
Thanks, Mr. Mehta. And for all the attendees who have registered, we will be sending the YouTube link of today's webinar, which will help them for all the queries. And also, we are currently live on Facebook, so a lot of people are also watching us on Facebook. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone.
We also expect you guys to attend. There are 2 more webinars that are going to come up. So there's one webinar tomorrow as well as day after. So these are on different topics. We would like you to join these webinars too and get the most out of this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you
so much.
Okay. Thank you all attendees.
Bye bye.